Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is a mail call video, real quick. Um, I got a I got a letter from a DIY mechanic, and I opened it. Well, I didn't like when I got to my PO box. I didn't open it. It was well, I did. It was ripped a little bit, but luckily the contents were still inside. Um, it was probably the post office that ripped it. But he sent me a couple stickers for his YouTube channel Focus. You go ahead, if you're not subscribed to him, go ahead and check him out. DIY Misfit Mechanic. He's got a cool channel. Also enclosed, he sent me some magnets with a sticky backside. For those of you that don't like putting a sticker on your box because you want to be able to trade it in or whatever. I thought that was a pretty cool idea. He sent these magnets along with it with a sticky backside, and I can just attach them to the sticker, and I could move it around from box to box or whatever. Or when I trade up on my new box, I can I could remove it and put it on my new box. He also sent me a little note. Anyways, DIY Misfit Mechanic. Thank you very much. Awesome stickers. This is real good quality. I'm interested to know who you got them made through, because these things are absolutely awesome. I've seen some real low budget stickers, and these ones are actually really, really nice, really good quality. I'll put a link in the description for his channel. For those of you that don't follow him or don't know who he is. But thanks again, Dave. All right, YouTube. Have a great day.